48 minutes. It's gonna be a nice hot day.
Dito lahat ng creams niya, medications niya.
Right, it's the other way around, Rob. Mom, you're not king like that.
Try tayo mata di bangir. Talo ba try tayo amin?
Naman si Topo na
running from all things at once without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up and that we would be the one.
Hey guys, we're going to New York. But first we're going to Dallas and then New York. I'm pretty sure. Our flight is 1 hour long. If you want updates, guys, just follow my Instagram. I've been posting updates, guys, so these are some of the updates. Posting. These are some of the updates. And then what's in my bag for the flight?
What are we gonna do in New York?
We're gonna be taking photos. We're gonna go to Statue of Liberty, and then hopefully we head down to K-Town. This is Tita's birthday surprise. Yeah, guys.
48 minutes. It's gonna be a nice hot day in Texas. Maybe hitting the century mark.
Umiiyak yung bata sa kabila. Ikaw, okay ka pa. Kawawa yung kuya doon. Umiiyak yung daddy. Hanggang sang-sangit. Very good. Kagsang-sangit, Juan.
Your safety is important to us. Please pause for a moment to give your attention to the making our announcements this morning. In case some of you would like to take a short nap utilizing an electronic device without an earpiece, please place it within silent or mute mode. Thanks for joining us this morning here at American Airlines.
Magte-take off na, Mishi. Ayan, hindi na. Nagtataksi pa lang. Baka mamaya pagka-take off, ubos na niya yan before pa mag-take off. Sisimula na. Hirap naman mag-entertain. Hirap kayo ng daddy. We're trying to catch up our train going to Terminal C. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Sana'y hungry. Going from Dallas to New York. Hi. Can you see yourself? Hi. She can see herself. Mama, Tita, Mommy, Ate.
Boarding is now complete. If you do not wish to travel to New York, this is the last opportunity to deplane.
Wow. Welcome to New York, Mexico. Naka-ride na kami, nag-Uber kami kasi hindi kami kasya doon sa car. Si ay, may kawas ka. Bakit kaya ako may ganitong seatbelt? Sabi niya siguro. Kasi walang base na dala natin, anak, para sa stroller mo. Oh, sorry. Very curious ang anak ko. Bakit, Mishi? May mga ganyang buildings naman tayo doon. Hindi naman na tayo taga-bukid. Mishi! Where's your binky? Oh. You want your binky again? Yay! Nakaupo talaga siya. Pag yung may base, para siya nakahiga, no?
Next to me, where would I fall? Oh, you got a hold on my heart. No leaving, baby, I know that you've become my number one. We live in a time where love's hard to find. Seems like for all that we know, still searching for something to hold. But baby, I know that every day something new to explore. You open my eyes to a world that's singing, but I never.
Welcome to New York.
Hi guys. I'm 4 now. I book everything.
So, we are now here at the hotel. This is the what? What's the name of this hotel?
Hyatt Place, Long Island.
Hyatt Place. So, we have 2 queen-size beds. It's nice. We have 2 queen-size beds. We have a couch here, which the ate will
No, the
be
mami na lang daw.
Oh, the mommy na lang
Kaya
daw.
naman.
And then we have the bathroom over there and a little bit of closet here. We're just gonna spend 2 nights here anyway. We haven't eaten yet, and tomorrow we will have a lot of stuff to do for 6 hours because Sisterette booked a tour for us. Pero buti na lang, sister, kasi ang mahal ng Uber dito.
Buti, nag-book ng 82 tayo. Tagamin, no, for example, we're gonna go from one place to another na mag-Uber.
Yeah.
Oh my
It's gonna
God,
be
dapat
expensive.
magplaog.
And
Hindi na pa yun,
it's so stressful.
Hindi na pa eh.
I'm gonna include here in this video how we get through TSA. Kasi di ba meron kaming mga milk, meron siyang water, ganyan, ganon. So, ang ginawa namin, kailangan kasi lahat ng mga milk, formula milk and water and wipes, dapat nasa iisang bag lang siya or iisang luggage. So, ang ginawa ko ay lahat ng empty bottles niya, lahat ng water niya. Pakita ko na nga lang, hirap i-explain eh. This is the luggage that I used for Mishi's stuff.
May naninili.
So, nandito lahat ng creams niya, medications niya, wipes. Kailangan nakaseparate din yung wipes na sa iisang part din kasi anong tawag nito? Swinaswab nila yung wipes. Pati itong mga formula, titingnan nila yung sample. Tapos, yung tubig, nilagay ko rin dito. So, after namin na nakapasa sa TSA, tsaka lang ako kumuha ng mga milk para isa lang yung ipapacheck ko sa kanila. Tapos, nilagay namin dun sa diaper bag na isa. Yun. So, yun yung ginawa ko para isa lang yung kukunin at i-check ng TSA officer. Kasi kung meron na kaming diaper bag, tapos may luggage pa kami na kung saan-saan nakakapunta, lahat ng gamit namin, may mga wipes and all of that, magulo siya. So, mas maganda na isa lang yung ipapacheck namin, nandun na lahat ng gamit. Tapos pagkalagpas namin ng TSA, tsaka ako kumuha ng gatas, ng tubig, tsaka ng wipes, tsaka ng ibang gamot niya. So yun, ganun yung ginawa namin. And then from airport to here, we booked Uber XL, yung binook ni sister, pang 6 persons, pero hindi kami kasya kasi may mga luggage kami. So we booked another one. We were left behind, me, Mac, and Mishi. Tapos, nag-book ulit kami ng isa. Pero ang natira na lang sa amin is yung mga backpack lang namin, diaper bags, and yung stroller ni Mishi. Yung stroller pala ni Mishi is this one. We have the dupe of Nuna ba yun? So, ito siya. Pwede na siyang stroller. Pwede na rin siyang car seat. So, ito yung car seat niya kanina. Ito yung na-fold yung kanyang gulong. So, ganito lang siya. Ayan. So, magiging ganyan siya. So, ito na yung car seat ni Mishi kanina. Para safe pa rin. Lalo na kasi grabe yung driving dito. Parang
Manila.
no, it's like Makati driving with Makati kind of view. If Chicago is EDSA driving, dito ay
Dapat sa ano,
Makati driving with Hong Kong. Grabe, para kung
Sa ano mo, vlog mo, nakikisilip siya.
nakikisilip siya, oh.
panining namin.
Yung banining namin, nakikisilip.
I'm very happy. Grabe yung skin niya kanina, red na red.
Gumagastos yung convenience store.
Yung kakain sana sa chicken.
Water ni Mishi.
May Asian, ano dyan, may Asian convenience store.
With breakfast ba to, sister?
Yeah, so 2 days ay may free breakfast.
Nice. Uy, doon tayo mag-i-split, Mishi, oh.
Lahat na tayo gutom.
Let's go. Ito pala yung basurahan ng diaper ni Mishi. Supot siya, pero sabi ni mother para daw yung mga poopy bag ng mga aso. Pero hindi yan, ha. Binili namin to sa baby section. Tapos mabango ito para kapag nag-change kami ng diaper, meron kaming supot. Parang kanina nag-change kami dun sa ano na, mismong aeroplano, din na nila binanyo si Mishi. Ayun, pinakolect ko sa flight attendant yung diaper niya. Mishi! I have a surprise for you. I brought your giraffe! Your favorite giraffe! Oh, subo agad ah. Teeter niyang giraffe! So, ito lang yung dala namin na tubig niya, guys. 1 liter, which is parang ilang bote lang pala yun.
You like our hotel, Mishi Bang? You like it?
It's good hotel, tita. If my mom booked the hotel, it's gonna be the Chipipay Hotel. The floating hospital. Uy, apay papanin nyo. They're following. This is the Hunter Street, sister. I know, 43.
This is how it looks when we're lost.
Okay, turn left.
We're lost in New York.
Sa 65 metro. Kumaliwa. Dahil lang kang kinakaliwa.
Adin mo 43 at paano?
Y'all, they were not joking about
What? 43 up.
You know what? The title of the vlog should be Lost in New York.
It should be. But I'm gonna have my own vlog where it's like, look at it, it's gonna be
Right, it's the other way around, bro.
Mom, you're not getting like that.
Try tayo mata di bangir. Ano ba try tayo amin? Para I'm surrounded by square. Kasi nandun yung traffic light. O siya.
Kaya nga yung traffic light. Sabi niya, mag-ride mo sa traffic light.
We're lost.
Sabi nung agency ko, we have not received your timesheet for the week 8-4 to 8-10. No, I did not work. My contract is over. Don't me. $2? Oh, pop-up bar talaning. Talaning! Pop-up bar. The one, it's just like the one that you're watching.
They're gonna put me to sleep and they're gonna sub on my blood against my classmates.
Wait. Oh.
J ba, banger nga party Jackson.
Bon, banger si banger. Kasi dawa tilinyanat lang yun.
Ay, Diyos ko, metong. Daddy! Sinusundan mo ba yung mapa?
Bangir.
Hindi. Awati pag-crossan tayo.
Here.
No, may saka. Oh my gosh.
I think it's ito ba? Chinese cuisine. Oh, that's the Chinese cuisine. Uy, maragragsakan ni Mishi. She's looking different, ano. Oh my gosh. You go ahead. We found it. Ay.
Some of our orders are tea. What's this? What's the name? What's the name?
This one is chicken.
Chicken karage.
Oh, chicken karage. Okay. Vegetable roll.
Vegetable tempura bagay.
My favorite Japanese food, vegetable tempura. Masarap yung mainit na lumpia, no? Kaya pa. Mas masarap pa na ito yung sauce niya, yung dipping sauce niya, no? Compared to the real sauce niya. Hi! Tofu. Chicken teriyaki.
What's that? That is
Salmon teriyaki.
some teriyaki. Teriyaki. And how about the
Sukiyaki.
Good.
milk teriyaki?
Na-chami dyan. Hypoallergenic.
Kaya mo tingnan ito. Wait lang.
Pakidayo sa'yo.
Tinganta. Wait lang.
Namas si tofu dan na loob.
Can I taste your vegetable, antananing? This one. The green bean. Oh, what's this? Mushroom? Shiitake. Shiitake mushroom, huh? Somebody's staring at me. The
Good
tiny
choice.
human being. Ano kaya yung gulay na yun? Masarap.
Yeah.
No, the green leaves.
Ano ito nangita nanin? Sila di pa ko.
Adat sa baling raman na.
Makada sa isang roll na.
No, adi mismo nga raman ti gulay.
Mama, we have to look for that purple flower. Remember for the eczema?
So that guy is from India? Where is he from?
I think so.
Hindi, feeling ko hangat from India, baby mo.
Hindi ako nagduwa nga kada nga sa teksema na.
How many kids does he have?
2 years old and 3 years old, di ba nga? Puro da ka no gagatol.
Pangalaan tayo nga tatang flower.
Nagdi ka na lang tubtubo dito yan ti parparangan nga dati color violet.
Baka lavender day dyan.
Pinicture ko. Take a picture and try it. Long time ago, my
Long time ago.
my
In
father,
the land of the...
And then after you get the
ipagangon ka
flour,
no.
after you get the flour, you boil it in hot water, and then you shower machine it.
No, you have to dry it first. That's what she said.
Para matanggal yung mga dagta.
You have to dry it, ground it, pound it.
I think she has a lot of allergies. Ate, yung naka-crop top na kasama namin, New Yorker daw siya. Pag 16 na siya, dito na siya. So, you only have 6 years to stay in Edmonton. Oy, may assistant si Tito Mac ngayon ah. Hala, nagkakamot na naman. Siri, but the Ilocano way. Press 5. To talk in English.
Guys,
Press
we can't
5.
live in
Oh my gosh, why?
With the NYPD car. Tita, grocery ata. Ay, nabanugak me. Nabanugak. Nabanugak ang muling ko na.
Okay guys, you know what I gotta do before you guys get on the bed? I need to do this.
Oh, that hurts. I heard it. Your boob flap.
Okay, again guys.
That really hurts.
Again.
Oh my
1,
gosh, stop.
2.
No.
Wait.
This is our toiletries. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash, toner, mouthwash, deodorant, micellar water, facial wash, pangbuhok, bitres, shave, dental floss. What else do we have? Our toothbrush and Mishi shampoo, yung Mastela. And then Daddy's deodorant. This is what we use to shower Mishi. So she doesn't have a tub anymore. Pag nagta-travel kami, this is what we use. Yan, nakahiga siyang ganyan. O kaya nakadapa siya dito. Ang dami naming dala, pero puro pambata. This is what we do for Mishi's clothes. Tada! And then, meron pa kaming extra na electric fan para sa stroller niya. And then, I brought the
Scrub.
bottle brush, dishwashing liquid, and then sponge. Tapos yung kanyang gatas na napakamahal. Yes, anak, napakamahal. Tapos sinasayang mo lang. $70 ang isang lata nito. Samantalang dati yung tigti $20 lang. Kaso nagka-allergy siya doon. And then ito pinangtatabo lang namin pag maliligo siya. Ito lang yung damit ko, guys. Lahat nasa kanya.
It's night in the city, and I'm on my way back home. Humming on my favorite